All right, you guys, making coconut mini pancakes. You guys are going to see the process. This is the first time. And please go to my other channel at PromoSTK, Eating Good in the Neighborhood, and watch me and my hubby eat. What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Shella, PROMOSTK, Shella's Creations Way. And I'm thinking up a breakfast item to make for today. And I thought about doing like a coconut pancake or a coconut egg cake for breakfast. So you'll see how it comes out. These are the ingredients. Again, this is out of Shella's Creations head. So Shella's Creations Way, that's PROMOSTK. Stay around. All right, you guys, we're gonna get this party started. Now, the wheat flour, the whole wheat flour adding to this is optional, but I am gonna add wheat flour because whole wheat flour is good for you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my coconut flour and I'm gonna pour about probably like a cup and a half. About a cup and a half of the coconut flour. And then I'm gonna do about maybe a half of the wheat flour. Maybe a little bit more than a half. We're gonna mix this up. Make sure it's combined. It's just the dry ingredients, you all. All right, smells good. It smells coconutty. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my cinnamon. Okay, probably a tablespoon of cinnamon. And stir that around. All right, so this is all of the dry ingredients, you guys. Now, I'm going to move over to the stove because I'm going to take this coconut oil, and I already have my my pan over here getting hot. So what I'm gonna do is just turn it on medium. And I'm gonna add my coconut oil to that. I'm not used to really cooking with, I'm not gonna put that much in there. Probably like a tablespoon of it. I'm not really used to cooking with coconut oil. I've only done it like one at a time. Because I just know now if you're gonna use anything dealing with coconut, you best to use it on something that you don't mind it tasting like a little sweet. So we're gonna let that heat up. And then we're gonna come back over here and we're gonna finish mixing. The syrup is gonna be for afterwards if we wanna put some on there. And as it is the butter, it will be optional to put on after you've made it up. So we're gonna put in a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Okay. And then we're gonna just go ahead and crack. Look at 5 eggs. We want it to be a little eggy, you guys, because you know, of course, eggs is good for you. So we're gonna put 5 eggs in here. We're gonna also have some sausages for breakfast, but I don't have to show you guys how to cook sausages because everybody should know how to put it in some boiling water. So, but the focus today is going to be our breakfast, which is going to be our coconut breakfast cakes. Okay? Okay, now with this mixture, I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut. It's an unsweetened coconut. I'm sorry, unsweetened almond milk. Open it up. I'm gonna put some in here. Alright. Let me just take this off the eye just a little bit. So I'm ready to put this on there. That's probably like maybe a half cup to 3/4 cup of the coconut. Excuse me, I keep saying coconut, but it's the almond milk. Now we are going to add water to this mixture as well to kind of thin it out. As you guys can see the consistency. It's a little thick. So I am going to put some water. Probably like a half. We'll just gradually add it in there. We got a half a cup, but we're just going to gradually add that half a cup to this mix, y'all. And we'll add the rest. See how that looks. I might have to add a little more. I think it's just the texture of that coconut oil. Excuse me, coconut butter. Can I get it right? Of the coconut flour, because I tried it before and it actually tastes like grainy coconut, you know? So I want to make sure. So that's probably like a whole cup of water added to the 1.5 cups of the almond milk. And then I may put another half cup of almond milk in here because it's still thick. Like I say, this is one of my creations, you guys. It's another half on there. Yeah, it's starting to look a little bit like the consistency I want. Yeah. Still a little thick. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go in and we're gonna add some more of the almond milk. So I guess we're gonna be adding like 2 cups of total of the almond milk, okay? Just for the consistency, because you want it to be a pour batter almost. You don't want it too thick. Kind of fold that milk in here. Let me show y'all this texture. Y'all see that texture? Y'all see that? Okay. We're gonna try this out, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know if it's a fail or not. So I am gonna put a scoop of coconut oil to this mixture. Remember, 2 scoops of coconut oil. Because we're not adding any butter, just the coconut oil. Alright. Now we're not going to cook all of it because it's just me and Frank, so we'll probably just do just a few pieces of it. So I'm going to bring y'all back over to the stove and we're going to see how this is going to play out. My sausages over here are boiling. We're going to turn them down. All right, you guys. So I know this water is, I know this oil is cold. We're gonna put these in by little patfuls. It's not like a true pancake because of the consistency. It's still kind of grainy. So we're kind of just gonna put them in like this and just flatten them out as we go. And just see how they turn out, you guys. Like I said, this is Sheila Creation, so you guys are with me through the process. I'm gonna pat them out and see how it holds up to cooking. Like I said, I haven't done much cooking at all with this coconut flour. Maybe it's better for baking. I don't know, but I'm gonna try and see if this will work. I put like 5 eggs in there, so if it's gonna hold up, it would hold up with those 5 eggs. So we're gonna see. Let that sit on the eye for a little bit longer. cookie sheet out. Go ahead and line it with foil. Line it with, oh, let me see. I'm gonna burn them, but let's see how it flips over. Okay. This is a non-stick frying pan, but it's still kind of trying to stick a little bit. Alright, I'll let that do its thing. Reach over here and grab my aluminum foil. Alright, you guys, so got my pan wrapped. Let's see. Now, these were true pancakes. I would not be flattening them out, you guys, but these are not true pancakes. So I just want to make sure the insides get done. So let's come over here. Well, it tastes very light. That's a good thing, right? Kind of remind me of frying up like salmon croquettes. That's what it reminds me of. But trust me, not meaty at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the first three. This one's ready. Y'all see that? That one's ready. The next one. This one out. This one. I'll put that. This one right here is trying to break. You know, you can always have one that don't want to cook. Yep, that one just broke all apart. You know, you're always gonna have. That'll be my little taster. You know, you're always gonna have one that just don't want to cooperate. But I don't understand why not. You know, because I got enough eggs in here to hold it together. But like I said, I'm not gonna make the whole batter because what I don't use all of, I'm gonna actually make a cake out of it, you guys, and see how that turns out. You know, I'm always trying different stuff. So I'll do. Let me turn this salt. The sausage back on high again because we're almost done with these. Let me go ahead and get out this broken piece right here, the one that didn't want to cooperate. Look at that, you guys. Just did not want to cooperate. You know, we're gonna always have one that just don't want to join the party. That's a good thing sometimes. They don't want to join the party. They don't have to join the party. Alright. So I'm only going to do 6, you guys, because I don't know how it's going to turn out. All I know is that they're not holding up too good. Let me turn my eye down a little bit. Had it on medium heat, but I didn't put any more oil back in the pan, so yeah. It's not turning out like I envisioned, but we're gonna still work with it, y'all. We're gonna still eat it. We're gonna still eat it. Tastes good. Yeah. Tastes good. This is probably just a recipe I'll have to, over time, just work with to get it the way it needs to be. But I'm gonna finish these browning up, and then we're gonna get the sausages and we're gonna eat them on a plate. See you guys in a few. Again, thank you for watching. PromoSTK, Shows Creations Way. And if anybody have any suggestions on what I can do different with this coconut flour, please comment below.